A very good morning to our lecturer and my fellow friends. Today we are going to present on aquatic organism in your daily meal. My group consists of Dairan Oswell, Siti Noor Farahain, Norina, Wong Xiangwen, and Muhammad Azwan Marzuki.
This is the modern technique of fish catching. This process is usually used to catch a big scale of fishes using big boat and fishing net. Then, the fishes are being sold in the market. This is torpedo skin. The market price is 8 ringgit per kilogram. Today, we're going to cook ikan chencharu masak kicap. These are the ingredients needed. Spread some salt and turmeric powder on the fishes before frying it. Now, we also need some oyster sauce, soy sauce and red chili powder. Then, fry the fish. On the other pan, put in some garlic and Holland onion. And then add the red chili. Put in some red chili powder, some water for the gravy. Then, put in the oyster sauce, the soy sauce, and the sliced tomato. After that, add some salt, some flavoring powder, and also some sugar. When the sauce is ready, put in the fried fishes. Then, let the fishes sit for some minutes before serve. Finally, it's done. Ready to eat.
Baname white prawn. Specific name is Lithoprunus baname. Local name is white shrimp, udang putih in Bahasa Melayu. Common name is white leg shrimp. Time that is suitable to catch baname white prawn is low tide. Habitat of baname white prawn is tropical marine habitats, coastal estuaries, lagoons, or mangrove areas. The price of baname white prawn is 42 ringgit per kilogram in supermarket. The baname white prawn has sweet taste with firm structure.
Ingredients: baname white prawn, onion, ginger, white pepper, salt, and 3 eggs. First, wash the prawn with clean water. Remove the head of prawn. To devein a prawn, use a scissor to make a sling along the middle of the back to expose the dark vein and pull out the vein. Place the prawn on the dish. Cut the onion, crush the ginger, and fry them together. Place the fried onion and ginger on the prawn. Add some salt, black pepper, fully incorporated yolks and white, and mix it using a spoon. The prawn is steamed for 25 minutes and is ready to be eaten.
Hi, my name is Azwan. Now I will tell you about squid. Squid are more than 300 species of armored cephalopods classified within the order Teutodia or Teutida and found in both coastal and oceanic waters. Squid may be swift swimmer or part of कृत्रिम sea life like plankton. Squid have elongated tubular bodies, and the body of most squid is strengthened by a feathery shaped internal shell composed of a horny material. Squid eyes, almost as complex as human eyes, are usually set into the side of the head. Squid are numerous in the sea and serve as food for many animals, including the sperm whale, bony fishes, and human beings. Now let's move to how to catch a squid. In Malaysia, we normally have 2 techniques to catch squid. The first one is by fishing, and the second one is what we call it chandat. Chandat is basically same with fishing, but they use a lot of fishing hooks on just one fishing line. Okay, now let's move to how I normally cook it. It's just a simple recipe. So let's do it.
Introducing seaweed. What is seaweed? Seaweed or microalgae or sea vegetables refers to thousands of forms and types of algae that grows in the sea. They are a food source for ocean life. Seaweed grows along rocky shorelines and range in color from red to green to brown and even black. The common types of seaweed in Sabah is Cephapicus alvarezii, and they are commonly found in Sabah waters as 88% of Malaysia's seaweed production is cultivated in Semporna, Sabah. Locals in Semporna named it as agal-agal. The seaweed price range is 5 ringgit Malaysia to 10 ringgit Malaysia per 100 grams. Seaweed is extremely versatile and can be used in many dishes. However, seaweed is commonly served as a side dish or salad by the locals in Semporna. It is mixed with onions, tomatoes, unripe mango, lime and soy sauce, and it goes great with fried or grilled fish alongside putu, which is a steamed cassava cake.
The typical cockle name that can be found in Malaysia is blood cockle. Its local name is called as cockle, or in Bahasa Melayu is kerang. The scientific name for the cockle that can be found in Malaysia is Anandra granosa. It lives in 20-meter water depth, but mostly they concentrate in the littoral area. For the price range of the cockle, we can get it fresh for 18 ringgit to 25 ringgit per kg, depending on the place that we buy. If we wanted to buy much cheaper cockle, it is suggested to buy the canned cockle that can be found in the price range of 4 ringgit to 10 ringgit, depending on the size of the can and also the brand. It had a taste of mushy and salty. In Malaysia, cockle breeding is practiced through their seed. In Sarawak, cockle farming is practiced around the delta of major rivers in the southwest of the state. This video showing how the cockle is being catched. While in this video, it's showing how the cockle seed is being planted in the sea. The cockle that I use for this fried rice is this canned cockle.
This is the ingredient that I will use for nasi goreng kerang bujang.
First, pour some enough oil. Next, after the oil have heated up, pour the egg and stir. After the egg seem have cooked, pour the rice inside the pan and stir together with the egg. Next, pour some soy sauce that we get from the can and mix it up with the rice. After that, pour some cockle inside the pan and mix together with the rice. To add some flavor, put a bit of salt and also pepper. Mix both of them and the rice is ready to be served.